Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the generative fill feature in Adobe Firefly. First of all, open your browser, then type in your browser firefly.adobe.com. You will be redirected to this page. Now make sure you're signed in via your Adobe account to use the Adobe Firefly. Scroll down and you will see the generative fill option. Press on generate. You can either use your own images by uploading these images here or can use the images provided by Adobe. I'm going to use this one. Now, you can easily remove the background of this pics by just simply pressing on this background button. The background will be moved within some time. Now, if you want to change something within the picture, like I want to change the jacket's color, select that area using the brushes and then type here what you want in that removed area. Like I want a green jacket here. Press enter and wait for some time. Now, it will provide you with 4 options like this one, this one, this one. This one seems the best. You can either download it or keep it to use in your videos and other stuff. Well, that's how you can use the generative fill feature in Adobe Firefly. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.